it's time to add in the servos for RoboBrrd's wings. So we're going to need 2 of these blue micro servos here, and also the servo horn we're using is just the one-sided one. So we're going to insert the servo through the wing face here, and notice how the servo horn is directly in line with the rivet there. So we're going to use some screws to attach it securely in place. They just snap in, you don't need a screwdriver for this part. And once that's in, that's what it looks like from the behind there. And we're also going to add in a line of glue, so that way it will be even more securely in place. So just like that. And same thing for the other side with the other servo. So we add in the screws, and then when it's all in place, then we'll add in the glue as well. Now for the servo horns, we want to figure out what value or what setting we want the wings to be at their highest and lowest points. So we move the servo around and see where it can move from and to, and it turns out that these settings right here are pretty good for its minimums and maximums. So we set the other servo sort of mimicking the opposite servo as well, and when it's all set and when we like it like that, then we add in the screws to keep the servo horn attached to the servo. And there's my screwdriver for you. It's important not to screw in the servo horn too much, otherwise it won't even be able to move. So yeah, and once that's all set, then you can move your servos around, and that's what it looks like up close. So yes, and just the back of the servos there as well. Alright, so now onto the washers. So part number 15 goes right through onto the rivet. You need 2 of them on both rivets, so 4 in total. That's basically what it looks like there. And then we can add on the wing on top of that. So now the wing is there, attached to the rivet, and on both sides. Alright, and yay, the wings are dancing. Now we have to add in the piano wire that goes from the servo horn to the wings themselves. So we're sort of flying through the steps here, but essentially we're just bending the wire in a way that's best for the servos, or to attach the servos. And all these steps are listed out precisely on our website so that you can see them in more detail. So we're just bending the wire here like that. And cutting it is sort of difficult, so you may need to wear some safety glasses for that. And there's what the final piece looks like. And it's important to be gentle with the wire, otherwise it breaks like that, like you just saw. So now we're doing the same thing for the other side. Just bending all the wires and now cutting it. And then that's what our pieces look like in the end. So to insert it, you just sort of push it through the wing servo and then tighten it up with your pliers and then insert it into the wing servo horn, so that way now the wing is moving the servo as well, which is pretty cool. And then we do the same thing for the other wing on the other side, and ta-da! All done! Awesome, so now our wings are attached to our servos! Yay! Thanks for watching this video. If you want to see all of these steps listed out, check out RoboBrrd.com. Be sure to keep following along with our next videos, as we'll be adding in even more exciting things to RoboBrrd next. And I can't wait to see how your RoboBrrd turns out, and feel free to share it with us through Twitter or our forum or Google Plus or whatever. We just can't wait to see it, and hope you keep building up your RoboBrrd. Squawk!